What's up? I just made some slime from like some fiber stuff from Metamucil, right? And I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. Mine is still very hot because you have to microwave it, so it will stick to you a lot. So, yeah. Let's just get into the video. Let's go! Okay, so, sorry. But anyways, so first off, you need a microwave safe bowl, your Metamucil, a tablespoon. You can either use a half tablespoon or a tablespoon. A half cup of water is right there by me. And then you will need a microwave. So let's just hop in the video again. So let's go. Oh, and you guys, we're not watching, we're listening to music. Okay, let's get started. Sorry. So I'm gonna take my teaspoon, and it doesn't matter if it's like that or not. And I'm gonna be using a halfway teaspoon today. Okay. So now that's what you will be needing first, and now I'm just gonna move that over there. And now you're gonna add in your half cup of water. And you will be needing a mixing thing. And then you just want to mix this until it gets pretty thick. So as you guys can not see, but I can, it's getting pretty thick. So yeah. And trust me, it will probably work. But depending on how much you use, you can only use I think you can only use a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of Metamucil, whatever it's called. So, as you guys can see, it's getting pretty thick. And so now I'm just gonna keep on mixing. Okay, microwave time. So you wanna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So, opening it up. Hold on, guys. Woo! Sorry, guys. Okay. So now you wanna put your slime back in. Okay. So it's in the microwave for 1 minute. So I was thinking, what can I do while I wait? Well, let's see. So I went on YouTube. And so, still going. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 33, 2, 1. And so, yeah. So I will be back when it's done. Well, when the microwave beeps. So, yeah, we'll be back. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done. And it will look like that. And it is super hot, so you want to put it somewhere where you cannot touch it very much. Okay, so it looks like this. Sorry, excuse all the dishes. And then it'll turn into like this. So now, what you want to do is you want to mix it. As you guys can see, it is slime already. So you just want to mix it until it's all mixed up. Sorry if you guys can hear that. Then, after you mix it and everything, I would probably set it aside for like maybe a minute or so, just so that it can cool down and everything. So, yeah. It does not smell very good until like you start like playing with it and everything, like when it cools down. Ow. I know. You can feel it, but don't stick your finger in like too long. Like once you start feeling like a burnish, then take your finger out.
What the fuck do you want to say?
It will stick to your hands a lot, trust me.
Keep burning it. So I can look at the stickers.
Sorry, that's just my mom talking to me. So yeah, that's basically it. Ow! How you make slime. That was an epic fail. So yeah. So I'm just gonna set it aside and play with my other one. Yeah, see, it will stick to you a lot. And if you try to knead it, it'll get even worse and worse. So, yeah. So, I will be back once it's like cooled down. So, yeah. Alright, so guys, this is not my slime that I just made. This is my other slime that I made a little bit ago. I let it sit out for a while I was making this video for 7 minutes. And it actually doesn't really stick to me anymore. Well, it does if you like play with it a lot, but not much. And it is jiggly slime, I guess you could say. Whee! Okay, come on, slime. And if it is sticky, like if it's super, super sticky, then retry it. And not all of you guys have this stuff, but I do. So, yeah. So, yeah. Now you probably want to go wash your hands because it will be gross. So, yeah, I'm just going to wash my hands. Ow. So, yeah. So, like I said, you probably will be needing to wash your hands. So I just went to check on my other slime that I made, and it's really not sticky, but still super hot. So if I have to go wash my hands again, I will probably be pretty mad. But I probably will end up washing my hands anyways. So, ow. Like I said, it's still super hot. But it is super jiggly. And you probably do not want to feel it, because it is still super hot. And if you want to make it faster, hold on. Let me go wash my hands again. But anyways, what I was saying is if you want to make it faster, hold on. Well then, you could probably put it in the freezer. Or not in the freezer, the fridge. So I'm going to try that. So I will be right back, you guys. Alright, so you guys, it's in the fridge. And I'm going to tell you guys one thing that you should probably know. It will dye your fingers. It will stain your fingers. And I have my other slime here with me too. And this does not stick to you at all. And I will probably end up selling some of my slime because I have this whole bag full. This whole bag is full of slime. And also my fidget spinners. So, yeah. Sorry. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna go check on the slime. So you guys, I just went and checked on the slime and it was so amazing to feel it because it barely stuck to me. I barely had anything on me. So yeah, if I was you, I would recommend putting it in the fridge for a while. So yeah, well not for like overnight because then it'll probably get way too cold. But yeah. And before you make this slime, ask your parents or grandparents or aunts and uncles, not brothers, not sisters, not any siblings, but a trusted adult. Not like teachers or anything, but like an adult in your family. So yeah. And I will be making a video on how I made this, but I will not be using glitter. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go get the slime out of the fridge, so I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the first one that I made. And see, I told you guys, it doesn't really stick to you anymore. And it is pretty cool. Like, I never knew that you could make slime out of this stuff. So, yeah. So, I just put the other slime that I made in the freezer. I don't know why, but I just wanted to for like a little bit, so, yeah. Okay, so you guys, I took it out of the freezer. It's still pretty warm, but like, it's cold enough where you can play with it. So, like I said, if you try to knead it, this will happen to you. So I recommend not trying to knead it. Like, sorry, that's just my mom. I will recommend you to just like poke it, not even do this, because it will stick to you way too much. So now I'm just going to go wash my hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked this. Thank you for watching. Bye!